Audio morning brief here for the U.S. stock market. I'm Rich Paz for Critical Point. It's October 24, 9:27 a.m. Eastern Time. Sorry for being so late here. Had a really long weekly update, and then decided to throw it in the trash can. I'm starting over and processing it now. So I'm giving you a quick snapshot for those of you who just want to know on a very short-term basis what's going on. What we have to assume is the market may put in a level 3 bottom, may have done it yesterday. I think the level 4 did not bottom then, therefore the level 3 could not have bottomed then. It may have been the lowest price, however. At any rate, it needs to pull back today. We've got the market up today because interest rates backed off, but now interest rates might be coming back up, and I think interest rates ought to go up into next week, frankly. That may bother the market. I think the market pulls back today for a level 4 up tomorrow and on into Monday. Okay, that's your level 4 swings. Problem is, it's a lot of fuzziness since October 17th. We may not be accurate on that at all, okay? This thing can do anything it wants, all right? Now, with these level 4s, we're looking for a level 3 bottom that might have been placed yesterday, but in theory should not be placed today, even if it's at a higher price, and does not have to be placed until Tuesday next week, the latest, all right? Then the market ought to be up next week. It may even be up into the election, but it ought to pull back by time of the election and a little later for a level 3 bottom. Okay, the next level 3 bottom. Now, the problem is that next level 3 bottom may be the level 2 bottom, and we had lower and lower downside or bottom to higher. But the problem is I'm now getting anxious here. I think we have to take the risk of buying too soon and assume buy a level 2 on this level 3 bottom, meaning we just should have bought yesterday, or we're going to learn to buy we should have bought today, but by sometime now into Tuesday for a level 2 bottom, just in case the market goes higher into December, the election goes well, and I'm forecasting the election's going to go well, Harris will get elected, and the market's going higher into December. But I know it's not as high probability and confidence that I would like or would normally expect, just because it is an election, and it can be tight running election right now by the best pollsters. And we just don't know. And even if it's going up after Trump gets elected, and it may very well do that, there could be lots of problems and complications down the road, okay? And I won't go any further than that because this is supposed to be short term. Any rate, we do have to consider, is it possible we should be buying back already, even though we made a very smart sell signal on October 21st? Maybe we ought to buy it back already. I'm thinking I might even buy back half, buy the other half at a record high with the hope my average price really isn't much different. All I was doing is trying to manage risk and pedal around and goof around a little bit, okay? But I'm also wondering, do I really load up? And then what am I going to do before the election night? Do I need to unload some? That might be another scenario because things could be crashing and burning election night and a few days after. The market can even be down quite a bit after the election because of interest rate problems. So the interest rate and the debt has become quite serious to the stock market right now. But it's like as if the market is saying we kind of get this debt thing. It is actually normal business. We really ought to just stay bullish because if we throw out the election, the treasury, the debt, all right, we throw out all the geopolitical stuff. We got a great economy. These businesses are making money. They're probably going to even do better next year unless Trump screws it up, okay? Because Harris is unlikely to screw it up. And so what they're saying is just keep buying until the election, and then if Trump gets elected, sell it. But they might actually buy it first because they're saying, well, we don't have Trump in there yet. It's just a little bit bizarre and crazy here. I hate to buy it this soon after just giving you this second level 2, and I think we caught both of them quite well, but I'm nervous of falling behind. And this gets away from me, and it goes to a record high. I think if it goes to a record high, you got to buy it, and you may have to sell it again by the election or after the election. We can be wrong, we can be right, we may have to jump in and out, it can get crazy on, but I think you have to buy it anyway. So buy first, ask questions later. Until then, though, do we buy this dip? Okay, and it's feeling like yes. What I can't tell are interest rates going to bounce enough into next week, and I think they should bounce. I think this setback this morning isn't going to last and keep going lower in the next week. I think it's going to go up. Will that bother the stock market enough? or should we be buying the stock market now? I don't know, but I'm telling you that time frame so you can get ready to buy your own level 3 and or buy the level 2 now into next Tuesday. Okay? And I'm telling you, for your level 4 traders, interweek day traders, I think it should pull back and fill what I think is going to be a gap here in the next few minutes, gap higher. I think it should pull back. Ideally, it pulls back even more than that. So I think interest rates are going to bounce today. And I'm telling you, I can be totally wrong on that level 4 stuff. It's just too fuzzy, murky right now. And since October 17th, they've been really strange level 4 fluctuations. What's going on is they really don't know what to do. Someone did sell into this rally over the last 2 or 3 weeks here. Level 2 traders, they are actually record large positions. That's weird for them. Strange. They're normally betting on the downside. The level 1 trader actually sold. That's a little weird for them. Level 3 trader seems to be more in line with level 1 trader over the past year. They did some selling. Why is that level 2 trader now with a bigger position when they've been the people betting on the downside for the past 2 years? What changed their mind? I get the level 1, level 3 traders selling some now just because of the election and the interest rates. But why the hell did the level 2 trader suddenly buy as much as they did, even with these higher interest rates? I just don't know what to make of that. I haven't seen that kind of characteristic in years here. All right, past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. You got my stance. I hope it actually pulls back today. But I also think we got to start thinking, maybe we got to buy this after all, take a chance, gamble on it, and buy it sometime now into Tuesday. I'll alert you on the level 2 as best I can. If the model makes a level 3 buy signal but doesn't make the level 2, I may not alert you. May be on your own. That we will see. Okay, I'm trying to watch this as close as I can. All right, and hopefully make the best decisions. I'm very, very proud of what we did this week of selling this. It worked very nice. I was feeling really good yesterday, and then I come in this morning and they bounced it on me. Okay, all right, past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. Have a great day. Thank you.